Hey everybody, your boy Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to my live. I'm gonna say my vlog. Well, I'm so used to doing live streams and stuff. But anyway, welcome to the Dominoes 7 vlog. Okay, and I heard the news about Miss Barbara Walters. Okay, she passed away last night. Or was it yesterday? Before night or something like that. I want to tell y'all something. I've been watching her for so many years. Even watched on The View. Okay, yep. So I really enjoyed watching Barbara Walters after all these years on 2020. Yep. So yeah, on 2020 and ABC News and stuff like that, she interviewed a lot of people. I wish she would have had a chance to interview me. But unfortunately she no longer with us. Okay. I mean, I've been watching Barbara Walters ever since I was a little kid. Probably when I was 1 year old or 2 years old. Well, I don't remember that far that age, But all I know is I remember watching her. Okay, so I would say I remember watching Barbara Walters since I was 4 years old. Okay, I mean I enjoy watching her after all these years. I really enjoy watching her. I even watched on The View, even though I don't really watch The View at all. I I usually watch The View with my grandmother. But I was always into The Price is Right, and then sometimes I go back and forth channels to channels and stuff like that, the ABC, the CBS, and stuff like that. I ain't know she was on the Today Show. She must have was on the Today Show before I was even born. You know, yeah, that's the case. I assume she was on the Today Show before I was born on NBC. You know, so all I say is CBS, NBC, and ABC would never be the same without her. Okay, so as a matter of fact, I would say the main thing, ABC would never be the same without Barbara Walters. Okay, we all gonna miss her. Everybody that respect her. I have a lot of respect for her. I mean, I have so much respect for her. I would watch her. I even watched Barbara Walters on her last day on The View. Okay, I had to. When she brought back all the former co-stars. That was on The View from the old days. From when they first started to the end. Then she made a guest co-host, made a comeback after retirement as a guest co-host. For the next season with the new set. With Rosie Perez and the other lady, I forgot her name. So so anyway, and even Joy Behar made a guest appearance when she left. So I mean, ABC ain't gonna never be the same without Barbara Walters. hmm So I must say, y'all. I mean, I kind of heard the news last night. When I was looking through my phone and stuff like that. But I didn't know. I did not know that it was a true story. Until I woke up this morning and looked on YouTube and stuff, and I typed her name and stuff like that. That's when I found out. Okay, so Barbara Walters, may you rest in peace. You will be truly missed. Okay, and my condolence to her family and friends, colleagues, and everybody that are work with Barbara Walters. I mean, we all gonna miss her. I miss her already, because I really enjoy watching her, after all these years. She interviewed so many people, so many celebrities as well. Okay. hmm Well, I would say I wish she would have had her own talk show, but she already did, The View. Okay. So I must say, to be honest with y'all, uh, uh, when she started the View, she didn't know how long that program gonna last. You know, she made it the best show ever. You know, man. To be honest with y'all, I never used to watch the View at all. I watched it from time to time, but not all the time. You know, okay. So I would say this because of Barbara Walters, the View lasted a long time. You know, yep. The ratings will skyrocket on that. You know, but the thing is, I wish the View wouldn't compete against The Price is Right. You know, because here in New Orleans, The Price is Right can come on at the same time as the View. Okay, and I just wish they could switch the View time. You know, so 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 thank God for YouTube. I can probably watch the View on YouTube. You know, okay. Yeah, so Barbara Walters, you're gonna be truly missed. Okay, all right. I wish I would have had a chance to meet you though. All right. So all I say is God bless you, God keep you. You know, and all of that. My condolences to her, to all her family and friends and colleagues. Okay. All right. Thank y'all for watching. All right. Bye.